Alright guys, this is my video in which I'm writing to ESP32 CAM, which is a very frustrating item if you don't know how to work with it at the beginning. So the best websites that I found out to help me, or I'm just going to mention them to you, but for now let's look at it. Okay, alright, done. Good. Okay, leaving, hard resetting. Okay, this is done. So let's look at the process, how the whole thing worked. I looked here and there. I was unable to figure out. This is my small device. It's connected with a CH340G, and the pins that you need to be aware of, you can find it online as well. So there's a 5-volt here that I connected, and then this is ground connected to, I think, input 0, and then this is the transmission and receiver. And then this one to ground. So I have a CH340G. I installed its driver and then connected here. And I think one of the problem that I have is if you look at the camera 8225N, I heard that a lot of people are having problem with this. But let's see what goes on with mine. Alright, so coming back to Thonny, how the Thonny works, I wanted to install Python on it, so I want to play around with Python. So it's tool, from options you can select interpreter, as I selected ESP32 Micropython, this generic one, and then I just downloaded it. Okay, this is the port detected. Then I just use the Micropython firmware. I downloaded it from the GitHub page and then included that binary here. And after that, you need to, when you press OK after selecting this, it gives you an interface on which it starts to burn. Like if I select the port, this and this one, I'm not going to do it again. So the moment you click on install, it's going to give you a screen on which nothing will happen. You have to come back here, and there's a reset button here. You have to hold it for a few seconds and then release it, and then it will start burning it over there, just like when you saw at this beginning of the video I was burning it. So this is the part where I'm done with putting this Python on it, Micropython. And like Thonny, there is, like, I can do it through Arduino as well. You see I'm downloading Arduino, but Thonny is pretty simple. It's very simple interface, and I would not like to mess around in Arduino. I would like to try this Thonny IDE because it seems pretty simple.